Excuse me, ma'am? Could you help me, please?
Of course. How may I assist you?
I need wheelchair assistance for my mother. She can't walk long distances.
Certainly, sir. Do you already have a booking for wheelchair service?
No, I don't. This is my first time requesting it.
That's completely fine. May I have her ticket and passport, please?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. I'll register the request right now.
How long will it take for the wheelchair to arrive?
Usually just a few minutes. An attendant will bring it and assist her through security and boarding.
That's very helpful. Will they stay with her until the gate?
Yes, sir. They will take her all the way to the aircraft door.
Great. I really appreciate your support.
You're welcome. Please have a seat in the waiting area. The assistant will be here shortly.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, sir. We're here to help.